Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Captain Fiddles from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Captain Fiddles from Garten of Ban Ban, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a circle shape for the eye. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, not too much, and I'm going to make another circle shape right here for the eye. Next, I'm going to make a circle shape in here and another circle shape right inside of here. Then I'm going to color in this part, and I'll go ahead and color in this part. Now, right underneath here, we're going to make the mouth. So I'm going to make a nice big smiley face. Then I'll put a little curve on each end. Next, I'm going to make another little curve shape like this to finish off smiley face. I'll make a little triangle shape here for a tooth, and then a triangle shape here for a tooth. Now, starting out here, let's make a big curved line that comes up and then down. Then I'll make one that's going to curve out here, and one that's going to curve out here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down on each side. And then I'm going to make a little bump like this, and I'll do a little bump like this for the hands. I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And then I'll bring this over. I'm also going to draw a little line down like this. Then I'll make a little line that comes down on each side for the body. Right here I'll make a line that's going to curve out and down, curve out and down. Then I'll make a little line that's going to go out and in for a toe. Do one more here. And one more here, and I'll bring it over. Same thing here. We're just going to go out and then in for a toe. One right here. And then one more here. And we're going to bring it in for the foot. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. And I'll bring this line up. And then we'll just draw this line across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Captain Fiddles from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.